Hey everyone, welcome back to Swamplots 2026. Today I'm going to be showing you how to field strip the Glock 27. This is a quick and easy process that every Glock owner should know for routine maintenance and cleaning. Before we start, let's go over some safety. So the first thing which we want to do with the Glock is we want to release this magazine. On the side here, you're going to see a little button. This button is the magazine release. All you got to do is push it and the magazine pops out. That's one thing done. Next is that we're going to ride the slide all the way to the back, and we're going to raise the slide lock. Alright, and bam, I did it. Next, we're going to visually inspect the chamber housing. So we're going to look, no rounds. We're going to also physically inspect. This is actually kind of important. So this way, just in case you get a little blind moment, you can physically feel that there's no rounds in it. Next, once we verify that the weapon is clear, and we can release that slide lock and ride it forward. Next thing which we're going to do, in order to remove the slide from the lower receiver, we're going to decompress the trigger and reset that firing pin. Now with that, next thing I'm going to do is I like to do a C-grip over the top of the slide, like so. We have takedown levers, switches on both sides. We have one here, and then we have one here. I'm going to pull the slide back just about a 1/4 inch, if you can see that. I'm going to grab both at the same time, pull down, and the slide rises forward. Now, I'm going to take a lower receiver, throw it to the side. Next is the recoil spring. This one is incredibly easy to get off. You just push a little and it pops out. All you got to do is just push right here on this part of the recoil spring and it'll pop out. Next thing what you do is you can just push that barrel out and bam, you're done with field stripping. With this, it comes with easy maintenance to clean your weapon, oil it, and make sure that you get your barrel really clean from any type of carbon, dirt, grime, whatever, after a good day at the range. After you get it all clean, the next fun part is going to be reassembly. It's just going in reverse order. Take your barrel, take your slide, and you're going to put it in the hole, and you're just going to seat it right back to where it belongs. Next is going to be the recoil spring. You have a little button here. Make sure that this one goes into the front near the end of the barrel, and then you're just going to push this into a little slot that's on the bottom of the barrel for it. And go ahead and show you. So you have one little lip, and it's going to be the lip beyond that that's actually right here on this flat piece. So push the button in, and you just decompress to it, sitting right there, and it's nice and flat. Next, on the lower receiver, you have 4 guide rails. And then you have grooves on both sides of the slide from the back all the way to the front. All you're doing is making sure all 4 guide rails go throughout that entire slide. And it's put back together. Barrel's not sticking out, recoil spring's not doing anything weird. Barrel, everything is seated the way it needs to be. Next we're going to do is a functions test. It is very simple. Decompress the trigger, and it's released. Next, rack the slide back, and you're going to ride the trigger forward till you hear a metallic click. And this is a good reset. Alright, that's a good sign. And that's it. You have successfully disassembled and reassembled into a basic field stripping of the Glock 27.